Hello my friend, here's Captain McHaddock, and this time I will open this box, and this is a Mi Robot box, and let's see what kind of box we have here. This is an unboxing video. Wait a second my friend. As we can see, this is Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop Essential, and this is really all-in one cleaner for sweeping, vacuuming and mopping. And there's those specs what we have here. And next I will open this box, and I just got it from post office, and then my friend, we will see what kind of robot we have there in this box. So let's continue my friend. And now I will open this box like this. Alright, and let's see what we have here. And my friend, can you believe I already have one this kind of Mi robot, but because I liked it so much, I bought another one for my another mansion, and I will really enjoy cleaning with this machine. But now we will open this box and see what kind of robot we have here. Okay, how we can open this box? How does it? Okay, we will open it from here. Here my friend. Like this. Very simple. And then just like this. Alright, and then it opens like this. Okay, and now it's upside down, so we need to do like this. Alright, now we will open it. And this is what we have here. Alright. What we have here, this is the robot, cleaning one robot. This is a really good machine. And then we open this and see what kind of machine we have here. Right. Okay, and here we have the main brush. Really, here we have this main brush and then two other brushes, and they are turning like this. And then there are wheels. We have here wheels and these kind of systems. And then when we look this robot, we can see that we can open this like this. And here we have this dust compartment, that all the dust goes here, and it's really easy to take away those dusts like this. Wait a second, how can I open this? Wait a second, because this is a new model. I need to a little bit practice this first. Like this, okay. It opens like this, and when there's dust, you can take those dust away. Alright, this is this dust compartment. And we put it here. Alright, and what we have here. Here is this charger. This is this recharger, like this, and here we have also this charger. Okay, and then I open this. We put this is really nice looking, system. And where do I put this? Wait a second. This is a little bit strange. Where is it? And here I put this. Here we can find this, how to plug. This goes here, and then this like this. Alright, now it's okay. And then, my friend, this device will recharge this vacuum cleaner. Alright. And I believe that, okay, it goes to this, okay. And this kind of box we have here, and this is so beautiful equipment, as we can see. And now I have unboxed this vacuum cleaner box, and next I will show the manual. Wait a second. Actually, here we have this mopping. Here we have this mop. We have here this mop also. And here we have the manual, and I will show this next, this manual. And here we can see, wait a second, here is Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop Essential User Manual. And then we can just check this. Okay, here is this vacuum mop dock, power cleaning button like this, and status indicator. Alright, and here we can see also these instructions, and here also these instructions, and then there's this possibility to connect with Mi Home app also. And here is manual how to use. Really simple. Okay, and then this instructions. And next, my friend, I will show how to use this. Wait a second. Okay, and it's really simple. We put this here like this, and this dock here, and then this robot cleaner. We have here those particles, and here are also same kind of particles, and this goes here.
Turning on.
Like this. Okay.
Charging. Please clean the 2-in-1 dust compartment with water, tank, and time.
And my friend, as we can hear now, this vacuum cleaner is this robot is charging. Okay, and my friend, this time this was my information about this Mi vacuum robot cleaner. Have a good day, night, morning and evening also, and see you on the next video, my friend. Goodbye, my friend.